Hey guys. So I was just watching this video, right? And they were talking about how robots are taking over our life. So I started to think about Sears that filed bankruptcy a week ago, and Toys R Us that filed bankruptcy. And the reason that they filed bankruptcy is because of robots. What are robots? Amazon. Technology. Sears and Toys R Us was not prepared for Amazon. See, Sears, I didn't really see any Sears ads on social media or on Google, right? I didn't really see any Toys R Us ads on social media or Google, right? But you see a ton of Amazon everywhere. See, technology is changing, guys, right? Everything is changing. Our lives are changing. Our lives are dependent on a cell phone. Your jobs are being replaced, or your secure jobs are being replaced by robots. The new way to make money, guys, is on your laptop anywhere in the world, on your phone anywhere in the world. Guys, I need you guys to wake up. Okay, I need you guys to wake up. Even doctors, robots will be doing surgery. Robots will be checking your heart rate, your heartbeat, taking blood. It's crazy, guys. College is going to be extinct. Engineers, guys, that's fixing cars, robots are replacing them. To go to a fast food restaurant, guys, there's no people, there's a kiosk that you order from. You went to a restaurant, they have the little thing right there, the little computer thing where you order right there and the person brings your food. You don't need a whole lot of those people. Guys, robots are taking our lives. But how do you get ahead of all of this stuff, guys? You educate yourself to understand how to be a part of technology, how to make money with this new age called information age. See, the millennials, they're already on top of this. Millennials, all they do is be on the computer and on the cell phone 24/7. So millennials don't want jobs. Don't make sense, right? Meanwhile, baby boomers over 55, they trying to hold on to their secure job because that's all they know. But guys, we have to wake up. The new way to make money is on your cell phone. The new way to invest is controlling your own investments. Okay? Not saving money in the bank, not living on a wish and a prayer, not wishing 401k. Social Security will be over in 12 years. Robots are taking over our lives. My kids, 9 years old, they're not going to be sitting in a cubicle looking for a job in a cubicle, guys. They're going to be on their computers and their cell phones to make money. You can learn more from YouTube, you can learn more from Google than going and sitting in a classroom to learn nothing, or spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a damn degree at college to learn nothing. College is not even up to date on technology. Schools are not even up to date on technology. They still teaching kids nothing. College is teaching kids nothing. People nothing, but they're spending hundreds and thousands of dollars to learn nothing. Meanwhile, the real stuff that you're really going to use in your life is on YouTube and Google, and it's free. My kids hear me do videos all day. My kids hear me talk about making money on your cell phone and on the computer every single day. So I'm programming them so they can know that, you know what, I'm going to make my own income. I'm going to create my own income. I'm going to be an Amazon seller. I want to be an Amazon seller. I want to be a stay-at-home mom that makes money. I'm telling you guys, robots are taking over. Sleep, continue to fucking sleep if you want to. You're going to be just like the rest of everybody else, living on a wish and a prayer, got to go back and live with your children, or go move into a shelter after you're retired after 40 years. Ain't it something? Ain't that something? We have to wake up, guys. Time does not care about none of y'all, none of us anymore. Time does not care about none of us anymore.
Michelle.
Technology.
What are your cousins trying?
All right, get out if y'all going. What are y'all doing? You said drop you off. Get out.
Yes.
All right, get out.
You keep saying that on your YouTube.
All right, get out.
Like what?
Guys, it's time to wake up. It is time to wake up. Time to wake up, guys. Wake up! London, go get the stuff. You ain't got to worry about that. My kids is crazy. Wake up, guys. The new way to make money, guys. All you got to do is go on YouTube. YouTube what you want to learn. Go learn it. Google what you want to learn. Go learn it, guys. For fucking free. Ain't that something? Ain't it something, guys? Ain't that something, right? And school is teaching, oh, go to college. Oh, get a good degree. Oh, you're going to live great. Oh, get a good job. Make sure your kids are good. Make sure you save for retirement. Make sure you save for your, for your kids. Make sure you put money in the 401k. And everybody that fell into that trap, right now are destitute. Don't fall for the trap, guys. You can listen to me or not. I tell people don't listen to me. Don't listen to me, but do your research. If I say something and you're like, is this lady bullshitting? Is this lady real? Don't listen to me. Go do your research. Go see how many jobs robots replaced already. Go see how many jobs robots already replaced. Don't listen to me, shit. Don't listen to me. Just go see how many jobs robots has already placed. So my husband bought me this cover for my thing because it was actually crazy. Don't listen to me. Do all your research. But you need to start your business part-time. And I'm begging you, please start your business part-time. One income is never enough. You need at least 3. Your job ain't one of them. Okay? Understand, guys, that robots are taking over our lives. Go to joinTanishaMarie.com if you're interested in starting a credit business, or go to workwithtanisha.com if you're interested in starting a health and wellness business. Guys, you need to start something. Because your 401k, pension, job, they ain't got nothing for you, baby. Love you guys. See you soon.